Salut les gars, bienvenue à ma nouvelle vidéo. Hi guys, welcome to my new video. Today we're gonna learn something for questions. How to do a question as in French. Okay, let's begin with a new thought. Allons-y avec une nouvelle pensée. La pensée, si vous êtes dans l'eau, vous devez nager. If you are in the water, you should and you must swim. Otherwise, you're going. Les gars, le premier mot interrogatif en français que nous allons voir, c'est le mot quel. Quel en anglais, ça veut dire what or which. Ok. Ben oui, ben oui. Is if you want to sound as a native speaker, French speaker, it's not really that much tough because we are making some words to make ourselves confident. You understand? Like if I want to speak, I used to say oui, oui, oui. You see, this word is oui. Okay. It is yes, of course. Like yes, of course. Mais oui, je te dis. Mais oui, je te dis. Mais oui, je te dis. Mais oui, je te dis also is like to ensure someone. Yeah, but yes, I told you. But I'm telling that to you. Yes. Okay, it is but oui and mais oui, je te dis. Watch this video and become a French expert. Ok, let's begin then. Allons-y les gars, on commence alors. Ok, comme nous l'avons dit les gars, le premier interrogatif est le mot quel. As we have told you guys, the first introduction words are important to learn and very not very that much easy to understand is the introduction word quel. Quel can be taken a different gender. It can numbers also. It can be masculine singular as you can see the first one, and masculine plural as the second one, and then the feminine singular third one, and the feminine plural the fourth one. Quel est votre nom? Quel est votre nom? What is your name? Quel est votre nom? You see here. Quel is here replacing the real subject to be a subject. Here say. Okay, and quel is here it's taking the name gender. We say what is your name? Name is a masculine word. Then can put it inside in the masculine form. Je prends quelle route? Je prends quelle route? Here, quelle is used as replacing the being like a determinant of the road. Like je prends quelle route is I take which way. Literally, is which way should I take? Sorry, guys. Okay, as we beginning. Okay, let's start. Continue ahead. Okay, guys, let's see on other French question words. Ok, les gars, d'autres mots interrogatifs en français. Oh, sorry, I do not put S to interrogative. I should put S there. Okay, interrogative with S, not like this one. I did a mistake. Sorry, guys. Okay, the first one also will be the second one because we have seen quel. Okay, is qu'est-ce, qu'est-ce. Okay, qu'est-ce is what in French, and qu'est-ce is ending by is a couple of words together making the expression what. As you can see here, I put between bracket e or between bracket apostrophe. It means qu'est-ce following a word starting by a vowel, it will be missing the e and token apostrophe. If that word is not starting by a vowel, I will be putting qu'est-ce with the e, not the apostrophe. The next one is que. We put these guys together because they are the same function. As que also as what following a noun starting by vowel or a noun starting by a consonant are different. Okay, we put in apostrophe or e. Okay, quoi. Next one is quoi. Quoi is very really informal quoi, but we use it. We'll be learning how to use them also. Don't worry, guys. And the next one is qui. Qui, no problem with qui. Qui is qui. Who. Qui. Qui es-tu? Qui es-tu? Qui es-tu? Qui es-tu is who are you? Qu'est-ce que tu veux? Qu'est-ce que tu veux? Qu'est-ce que tu veux? What you want? What do you want? Qu'est-ce que tu veux? Qu'est-ce que, here you can see, qu'est-ce que tu veux? Let's go ahead for a couple of sentence questions with qu'est-ce que and que to understand them well. Okay, here we are, guys. Qu'est-ce que tu veux and que veux-tu and tu veux quoi? Tu veux quoi and what? All of them are using to say what, but the matter is that they are not used similarly. We have different kind of using them. Qu'est-ce que tu veux? You can see here. Que veux-tu? Same. What you want? What you want or what do you want? Okay. Qu'est-ce que tu veux? The subject is first and the verb is next. Okay, we'll be doing also a couple of videos to explain you guys also the sentences. Sentence is very important because sometimes we forget that by learning a new language we should go at the beginning. I can forget if I want to learn German, I will forget that I know French and go to the beginning to say, oh, what I want to do a sentence in French. It is subject, verb, object. But if I don't know a subject, verb, object, it's a problem. Okay, here you can see here the subject is reversed with que, and then qu'est-ce que, the subject is not reversed. That means also qu'est-ce que is informal and que is a formal way to say what do you want. You see, que veux-tu? I say, even the tu is informal subject, but here the question is formal. Don't worry, we'll be doing videos also to explain you what can we take the formal question and informal question. Here the word, some words are informal but the question is formal. And then tu veux quoi is also informal, but here quoi is a word used as an object. Tu veux quoi? Tu is a subject, veux is a verb, and what is the object. What? Okay, qu'est-ce que tu veux is what you want, and que veux-tu is what want you, and tu veux quoi is what you want water. Good. We think you can use them right now. As summarizing, with the que, subject reverse, with qu'est-ce que, no subject reverse. I don't know, but I hope you understand that as explained as like this. And quel used as an subject also. Quel is used as an subject. Quel importe non, it substitute the noun here to make a subject, and taking the gender of what, which noun is it is substituting. Okay, and then quoi used as an object is tu veux quoi, object is quoi. Good. Thank you guys, and we hope you enjoyed this video, and see you next time for the another new video. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to like this video and share